Google ad account suspended. Now, if you're watching this video, you're probably having your Google ad account suspended. And I know how it feels because there are lots of people who are running ads on YouTube, right? And as you know, if you're running ads on YouTube, you as well need to use Google, of course, right? Because you are making your ads from Google ad account, right? So in order for you to run ads, you need to have Google ad account working. But now you're watching this video and you're thinking, okay, heck, I got my account suspended. And first of all, what you can do to get it back. And if you are watching this video and your account is not yet suspended, that's a great news because you will learn in these 10 minutes what you can do to avoid your account getting suspended. So let's go straight into it. As you can see over here, right, what you can do to prevent this. There are a few bullet points I want to share with you. And the first one is read and follow Google ad policies. You won't realize how many people don't do that. It's very simple and easy thing to do, but they don't take time, 10 to 15 minutes, so just go through Google ad policies. The second thing is, and this is not your fault because lots of you watching this video, maybe you bought some expensive, high-ticket affiliate marketing course from someone on ClickBank or MaxWeb, and you got your account suspended. So this is not your fault, right? Why? Because they are pushing the products that they get affiliate commissions paid off from, right? So for example, they will give you some hard-hitting diabetes offer on ClickBank, which will definitely get you suspended because, as you know, ad networks, they hate affiliate scammy offers. So it needs to be really high quality product. Third thing is create high quality landing pages. Again, if you're watching this video, maybe you bought some ClickBank expensive course where the owners or coaches are teaching you to create a small squeeze page with no content at all, right? No pre-sale page content at all. So that can again get you shut down, right? Again, it's not your fault, of course, because you bought a course and you thought that this is what you should do, right? So no, you cannot copy and paste these kind of things. Again, second thing, third thing, right? We cover. Fourth thing, transparent and honest content, right? You must make sure that your relevancy score on Google is very high. So when someone clicks on your landing page, on your pre-sale page, they should see, right, that what they saw on your ad, on the headline, it matches with the content on your landing page, right? Otherwise, you're just wasting your time and money creating something that will not convert. Then you have to also disclose affiliate relationships, avoid misleading language, right? And use relevant keywords, very important thing. And also include negative keywords, optimize campaigns, and avoid breach pages. What I mean by that, as you know, if you bought any kind of courses on affiliate marketing, running YouTube ads, right, and you got your account suspended or you're not making any good money, it's probably because you're using breach pages in a wrong way. So they teach you, again, it's not your fault, they teach you to create one-page site with tiny content, some screenshot, and then take people to the VSL on ClickBank or MaxWeb, right, to promote weight loss supplements or something like that. So again, this is very, very risky thing to do. So stay informed, up to date on the Google ad policies, and also test small and scale gradually, right? So test small and scale gradually. This is the most important thing. Now another thing I say, don't use squeeze pages. I know they told you use squeeze pages, but that will get you definitely shut down. And in the next video, next slides, I'm going to show exactly what I do to make sure to avoid getting shut down on Google. Or if you run YouTube ads, doesn't matter. It's coming all from Google, right? If you remember. And I will show you how to make sustainable income, passive income with ClickBank affiliate marketing, right? Because I think it makes lots of sense, right? Doesn't it make a lot of sense to make sure that you are doing something that will stay for long term, not just short term, quick buck, right? And again, make sure you have all the links set up properly, and make sure you have basically URL set up properly, and make sure you have a proper terms and conditions written down at the bottom of your pre-sale or landing page, right? Very important thing. Now, I always say to you, better is leverage, right? Leverage, it can come in many terms, right? Many ways, but always use leverage, right? So, which means, right, if you would want to not make money with affiliate marketing, you would do many different things. You would go for short periods of time. You would definitely not get any coaching or mentorship from someone one-on-one. and you would make all the mistakes on your own, right? And then what is the worst thing? You would go, if you hate money, you would go and repeat all these crazy mistakes and never change, never do anything new, never take mentorship or coaching, right? Where someone can basically help you one-on-one, step by step, to get the result that you desire, right? So what do we do? As you can see over here, what do I do is I get targeted traffic. This can be Facebook ads, Google ads in this case, or YouTube ads, okay? We get traffic, audiences or eyeballs, right? Great. The second thing is we send people from those networks, right, to the opt-in page, right? So this is pre-sale page or landing page. Now what happens here differently, what I do differently is I try to make short-time money, today money, and tomorrow money in the same time. What do I mean by that? You can see over here, right, on my screen, I have one-time offer. So I sell them a $50 supplement or ebook on the front end, right? And then I have automated email follow-up sequence. So I built my email list, and if you hate money, you will never build your email list, right? But if you love money, you will do it slowly. Even if you're doing slowly, you still can make great money, right? But you see, two different ways. Lots of gurus on ClickBank or your courses that you bought, they teach you not to build email list, right? Because they know that lots of people are lazy, or they don't want to get the results. They don't want to share the secrets with you of how they make long-term income. Definitely with email marketing or the back end, right? Because as you know, most of the ClickBank products, for example, I don't know, weight loss supplements, right, or something like that, they cost around $50 to $100. But most affiliates, big affiliates, make money with emails on the follow-up sequence, on the upsells, right? So the upsell take rate makes a lot of money from the same customer over and over again. So you have a recurring income, recurring affiliate commissions coming into your now bank account, right? Again, now if you're watching this video, if you want to get results with Google ads, YouTube ads, ClickBank affiliate marketing, promoting other people's products, that's all nice and great. But what I offer you here is free unstuck sessions. So if you're watching this video, you and I together can jump on a Skype or a Zoom, WhatsApp call, whatever. You can have a cup of coffee and have a conversation about you, where you are, what is your situation, what is your budget, and where you want to go, right? So what you're actually trying to achieve. Can I help you or can't, right? And also what is really stopping you, because some people, should be told, they are this close to breaking through, this close, but they quit, they give up. They don't believe in themselves or purchasing a coaching, mentorship, whatever, to get to these results that is this close, right? This close, but they give up and quit. So I believe you, because I think if you're still watching this video, you have the right mindset. So I'll be firm with you, giving you straight answers that you need, and then we can see what we can do together as we go further, okay? Now, why I'm always sharing about affiliate things, right? As you can see, lots of YouTubers out there are just sharing, no face, no voice, no nothing, no personal connection. I'm giving you here the result that you can get, as you can see over here, right? This is the whole point of doing affiliate marketing, to basically divorce time from money, right? You divorce time from money, so that you can actually go and do these kind of things, crazy things, right? Whatever that's mean for you, right? So again, you can reach out to me one-on-one after watching this video. You can like this video and subscribe to my YouTube channel, and you can reach me on Facebook, Instagram, via email, or even WhatsApp. So all the links are in the description below. Now, what I want to share with you, most important thing is this: do not reach out to me if you don't have at least $1,000 US, 1,000 or 5,000 US, all the way up to $6,000 US. Do not reach out to me, because I don't want to waste your time either, okay? I know time is very important, and if you're really serious, you can reach out to me if you want to improve or get new results with affiliate marketing, as you can see over here, right? That's the whole goal: time freedom, and also having time to do what you want, right? So thank you for watching this video. All the links are in the description below, and don't forget to smash that subscribe button so you can get more helpful tips.